Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We're back on Keydrop today, and today we have $15,800 balance, guys. It's amazing profit, amazing balance, guys. And today we will play the big guys. Boss is back in business, guys. Back in business. This is really good balance, guys. And we're gonna try that. We're gonna try. Maybe premium cases. I'm gonna try. Maybe another cases. You see, we will see. Best drops chance 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The high chance is this. Actually, it's bad, not good, but so we are so much knife, and literally almost 6% or 7% given knife. I'm gonna try 10 times. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to 1 case is the 25% actually to the total, but we're gonna try more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15. Actually, 15 is bad. We lost $500. And we're gonna try different cases. Cheap knives. Look at that. I have so much knives, but all of us cheap knives, guys. I'm gonna try the flame high risk case, and we will see that. And actually, it's the first step 15 times, but maybe 50 times to dragon lore. And 1, 2, 3, 4, nice, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, please give a good one, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, please, 36, 37, 38, 39, 14, 40, 41, 42, give a dragon lore, 45, 46, 47, 49, 48, 49, 40, 15, 50, 51. This is bad, guys. This case is really bad. This case is really bad. 15 times, guys. 15 times. Really? More than 75 times, guys. We lost everything. I lost everything. Alright guys, thank you so much for everything. Really appreciate that. Please check my link in the description and pin comment. Peace out.